Alright, well, somebody, I don't remember who, requested a point of view, I guess, drive of the car. So, I think we'll go ahead and do that. Why not? It's not that hard to do.
Alright, welcome back. We are going on a Sunday drive. Got a couple requests for a point of view type drive, so went ahead and hopped on beautiful I-4 in the Tampa Bay area. We're going to go drive around a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see that, but her license plate right there says, "Be happy." So funny, when I get behind people, they all start slowing down. Like I said, if you want to own one of these things, you better get used to driving in a driver's ed video. Because people will drive significantly better when you're coming down the road. That place over there used to be called the 1-800 Ask Gary Amphitheater, and I think it was named the worst named venue in the United States. I'm trying to think about where I want to take you guys, you know, maybe different little areas, you know, nothing real special or pretty, but just kind of like different environments to drive around in. Let's see, should we go to downtown? Let's see, is it worth our time to go to downtown? Actually, the travel time's not too bad. It means we should be able to get in there pretty easily. Getting real close to where the interstate ends. There's a guy in a Porsche that's a little nervous to pass me. Slide over here. See, there's I-4 ending right there. 3/4 of a mile. I guess we'll go on Ashley. It's been a little while since I've been actually through downtown, so I'm just gonna meander around aimlessly. Might be kind of fun. Coming up, but there's a railroad track that actually runs right through the middle of the city, like right in the middle of the road, which is really bizarre. I'm trying to remember where it's at. I think it's up here a little bit. I don't remember exactly. Oh, here it is. It's right here. Look at this. This is really bizarre. CSX runs trains right down the middle of that road. Hey, a Charger. That's a pretty little car. Let's go over here. Looks like there's some kind of event going on. All CVPI fans. There's a Crown Vic sitting over there. This poor guy. Went a little too far into the road. Let's see if he remembers. Please remember that you're in reverse. Please remember that you're in reverse. Oh, good. There's nothing scarier than somebody leaving their car in reverse, and then the light turns green, and then they floor it. And then they freak out and panic and hit the gas harder because they don't know why their car's going backwards. Nice cobblestone. That's funny. You guys having fun. See all kinds of people out here roaming around. So as you can see, it's another beautiful day in the Tampa Bay area. Let's go over here. Oh, that's like a fire museum right there. That's kind of neat. I've been in there. That building right there, kind of a neat place. This is that bizarre ass railroad track again. We'll drive down here because this is just weird. Look at this thing. Used to, they didn't even have the bullards here. It used to just be just the road. Greyhound bus station, Crown Vic. Apparently you're not allowed to drive on this road, no turns. Oh yeah, that's like the transit road right there. I think they got a free shuttle or something that runs up and down that street. Just kind of neat. Look at this idiot. There you go. Another CVPI still in service. It's a courthouse right there. If you ever got to do jury duty in the Tampa area, that's where you'll end up. So yeah, right now if I had a loud exhaust, I'd be in heaven. Look at this. Look at all this bridge right here. It'd make all kinds of echoing sounds. It'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, channel side right here. Yeah, channel side drive. This is kind of neat. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a big ass cruise ship over there. Yeah, let's go over here and hop on 60. So as we go a little further this way, you'll get over into what they call Ybor. Kind of where all like the cigar factories and things like that used to be. I guess they might still have one, I don't know. Kind of sad that I live here and I don't really know the history all that well. But then again, I didn't grow up here, so maybe I get a pass on that, maybe. That's kind of neat right there. Road Ranger! Those guys are awesome. They come out and help you if your car breaks down on the side of the highway. free service in most metropolitan areas in Florida. So if you're on the interstate or toll road or whatever and your car gives up, you call Star FHP and they'll send one of those guys to come and help you. It's good people. It's a good service too. Random Amtrak train going backwards. Look like some kind of random worker in the middle of the road, making sure that people don't go around the gate, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, the guy from CSX. Must be a signal guy. He's got a truck sitting right there. I honestly say you don't see that too often, train going backwards. Pretty sure that man just opened a gate. Are they in there doing something? Let's go this way. Little kid looking at me completely crazy. Like, who is that guy? That doesn't look like a cop. Why has he got a GoPro attached to his head? Because, well, why not? Alright, so while I'm out here cruising around in the industrial area, I wanted to tell you guys a couple things. One, I noticed we're real close to 500 subscribers, so many thank yous to everybody who subscribed recently. That's really awesome. Really happy to see that. I'm glad that I've got almost 500 of you interested in watching the videos. Look at that guy making an illegal left. Good thing I'm not a cop. But, no, really appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. You know, if there's anything you guys want to see, you know, like a Sunday drive like this from point of view, let me know. I'm more than happy to do it if I have the resources to make it happen. One thing that's nice about driving around on the weekend is in areas that are normally busy during the week, you can drive around, there's not a whole lot of traffic. Like this road is an excellent example. This road here is usually stacked. It's 50th Street right here. Usually stacked with cars during the week. That's why it's so big. You know, it's got 6 lanes, basically 3 each direction. Yeah, many years ago, interesting story about that plaza right there, that strip mall plaza that I'm sitting right next to. Several years ago, I actually stumbled across one of only 2 Tampa police Chevy Caprice, I guess that's the PPV, the police pursuit vehicle or something like that, I don't remember what it's called. But I actually stumbled across the guy and found him pulling in behind that plaza, and he was nice enough to let me get a couple pictures of his car, which I thought was neat because there's only 2 of them in the whole city. They were test vehicles. They actually had those, 2 of those, 2 Chargers, and 2 of the police interceptors. And they ended up ultimately going with the new Dodge Charger at the time, which they have also diversified a little bit with their fleet and gone with the police interceptor utility. So you'll see a bunch of those running around in Tampa if you guys ever come out this direction. So lots of Chargers, lots of police interceptor utilities, and if you're lucky enough to find one, hey, Bricados. That's a good sandwich shop. But if you're ever lucky enough to be here before they retire all the CVPIs, you'll see some Crown Victorias, because that's what they used to run all the time. Well, now that I'm leaving the city, just want to say thanks for watching the video. Thanks for checking it out. If you guys have any other ideas for videos, let me know. If you have any comments, thoughts, concerns, drop a comment down there. Let me know what you're thinking about, at least when you see my videos. If there's anything you'd like to see more of, maybe stick the GoPro in the car or something like that, I can do that too. I still have to fix my, I guess, the inner fender piece. So that'll be in an upcoming video at some point. Might change out the headlights too, I'm not sure, because these headlights are kind of beat up, kind of shot, and kind of hard to save. Even if I can fix the outside lens, the outside lens, I should enunciate my words a little better. Even if I can fix the outside lens, the inside of it's still kind of messed up, so I don't think I can ever really fix those headlights. But either way, drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. If you like the video, I can definitely make more of these. These are super easy. If you want to see something else, let me know also. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking it out. Be sure to drop a like if you haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button. Want to see when the next video is coming out? Hit the bell next to it. As always, see you on the next video. Love to all of you. And have a beautiful day.